Hello Junior 4, today we're going to start our session by lesson 8, and our lesson today talk about measuring the world around me. But this one is part 1, so it's talk about how we can solve the story problem. I can solve the story problem with many ways, like I can use estimation, or I can draw a picture of model, like a part model, or the part whole, okay, or the number line, or I can write the equation when you have x, like x plus 3 equal 10, okay, and we can use the standard algorithm. Algorithm means when you make it ones with ones and tens with tens and 100 with 100 and so on. And I can convert measured units. If you want to make plus or minus, you should have the same units. Meter and meter, centimeter and centimeter, and kilometer, okay? You can use the same units. So now let's start by solving the first story problem we have, and it shows the best way to solve it. So here, Nihal had 65 meter and 25 centimeter of ribbon to make flowers. 22 meter and 45 centimeter was left unused. How much ribbon was used to make flowers? So she have how many in total? 65 meter. And what is left with her? 22 meter and 45 centimeter. I want to know how many ribbon she used. That means I'm gonna make it minus 65 meter and 25 centimeter minus 22 meter and 45 centimeter. Now I'm gonna make it centimeter with centimeter and meter with meter. So let's start by centimeter. 25 minus 45, work or doesn't work? It doesn't work. Why? Because 25 is smaller than 45, so I can't do it. That means I'm gonna subtract from meter. When I subtract from 65 it will be 64. And when I subtract 1 meter, that means you have how many centimeter now? I have 100, because 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. So when I subtract 1 meter, that means I have 100 centimeter. 100 plus 25, it will be 125. Now let's make it. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 12 minus 4, it will be 8. So it will be 80 centimeter. Now 64 minus 22. 4 minus 2, it will be 2. And 6 minus 2, it will be 4. So the answer, it will be 42 meters and 80 centimeters. She used this ribbon. So the second one here, the total weight of Hala's bag is 46 kilogram and 750 gram. And Laila bag is 40 kilogram and 850 gram. Whose bag is heavier? So I have this bag for Hala and this one for Laila. So Hala 46 kilogram and Laila 40 kilogram. So the heavier one, it will be Hala. So Hala is the heavier. Okay, now we ask about how much Hala is heavier than Laila with how much? That means I'm gonna make it minus. I start with the greater one, 46 kilogram and 750 gram minus 40 kilogram and 850 gram. Let's make the minus. 750 minus 850 doesn't work because 750 is smaller than 850. That means I'm gonna subtract from kilogram. So 46, it will be 45. When I subtract from kilogram, when I have 1 kilogram, that means 1 kilogram equal how many gram? Equal 1000. That means I have now 1000. 1000 plus 750 will be 1750. So let's make it now. 0 minus 0, 0 out. 5 minus 5, it will be 0. 7 minus 8 doesn't work. I'm gonna put 1. This 0, it will be 1, and this 7, it will be 17. 17 minus 8, gonna move 2 kilograms. So 45 minus 40, it will be only 5 kilograms. So the answer it will be 5 kilograms and 900 grams. That means that bag of Hala is heavier than the bag of Layla by 5 kilograms and 900 grams. Now I'm gonna erase it. And move to the second two. So here Dina put 500 milliliter of mustard oil and 250 milliliter of coconut oil and 2 liter of olive oil. What is the total quantity of the 3 oils together? I want to get the total, that means I'm gonna make it all plus. But I have something here. I should make all units are the same. Here I have milliliter, and here I have milliliter, but here I have 2 liters, so it's a different unit. I'm gonna make this 2 liter with milliliter. So 2 liter equal how many milliliter? Equal 2000. So now I'm gonna make it plus 500 plus 250 plus 2000. Now let's start. 0, 0, 0, it will be 0 out. 0 and 5, 5, and 0 it will be 5. 5 and 2, 7, 7 and 0, it will be 7. And 2 plus nothing, it will be 2. So the answer it will be 2750 milliliter. Now I'm gonna move here. The duration of a film show is 2 hours and 15 minutes. It starts at 3 and 30 p.m. When will it end? I have the start time and I have the duration. So I can use here what? I can use here the timeline. So the film starts at 3 and 30. And it lasts how many? 2 hours and 15 minutes. So I'm gonna add 2 hours. When I add 2 hours to 3, it will be 5 and 30. And I'm gonna add another 15 minutes. So plus 5, it will be 5 and 35. Plus 5, it will be 5 and 40. Plus another 5, it will be 5 and 45. Now I add how many minutes? 5, 10, 15. So it will be 5 and 45. The end. The film, it will be end at 5 and 45. Now I'm going to erase it and move to the last part about this lesson. It's about check your understanding. So here Dalia's dog has a mass of 15 kilograms. When she took her to the vet, she learned that her dog gained 2,000 grams. Okay, so the dog is 15 kilograms, and after she moved to the doctor, she found that he gained 2,000 grams. 2,000 grams. I'm gonna convert this gram to be like this kilogram to make it my plus. So 2,000 grams equal how many kilograms? Equal 2. How many more grams will Dalia's dog need to gain before she has a mass of 20 kilograms? So the dog is 15 kilograms plus when he gained another 2, so the dog now is 17 kilograms. So how many kilograms should this dog gain to reach 20 kilograms? I'm gonna make this 20 minus 17, so it will be 3 kilograms. And now let's move to this. So here Mrs. Basma bought 2 cartons of milk, which are 2 liters each. So I have how many cartons? I have 2 cartons. Each one have 2 liters of milk. Here 3 children drank 1,200 milliliters on Monday and 950 milliliters on Tuesday. So how many milliliters of milk are left? So each one have 2 liters. That means that 2 cartons together have 4 liters. So she used how how many on Monday and Tuesday? I'm gonna make it plus. So I'm gonna make 1,200 plus 950. So 0, 0 and 5, 5, 2 and 9, 11, 1, and they carry up 1, 1 and 1, it will be 2. So that means she used how many? She used 2,150 milliliter. And I want to know how many left. She have in total 4 liter. She used 2,150 milliliter. So what is the left? That means I'm gonna make it minus. 4 liter equal how many milliliter? Equal 4,000. That means I'm gonna make it 4,000 minus 2,150. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5 doesn't work. I'm gonna put a 1 from this 4, it will be 3. This 0 will be 9 and this 0 will be 10. 10 minus 5, it will be 5. 9 minus 1, it will be 8. And 3 minus 2, it will be 1. So how many left? It will be 1,850 milliliter. Okay, let's take the last question here. Zed played his video game from 3:45 p.m. until 5:10 p.m. He is only allowed to play video games for 80 minutes. He broke the rule? If no, why not? If yes, by how many minutes? So let's see. He started to play the video game from 3:45 to 5 and 10. I'm gonna subtract 5 and 10 from 3 and 45. So 5 and 10 minus 3 and 45, because I want to know how many the video game take. So 10 minus 45, it doesn't work. That means I'm gonna put a 1 from 5. This 5, it will be 4. When I put a 1 hour from the hour, that means I have how many minutes? That means I have 60 minutes. That means now I have 60. 60 and 10, it will be 70 minutes. So 70 minus 45, it will be 25. And 4 minus 3, it will be 1. That means he take how many to play the video game? 1 hour and 25 minutes. So I want to know how many by minutes. So 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 60 minutes plus 25. That means 85. He took to 85 minutes, but he allowed to play only 80 minutes. That means he broke the rule. By how many? By 5 minutes extra. He played 5 minutes extra. So now junior 4, I finished part 1 about this lesson. Let's move to part 2. It's about what is the best way you're gonna choose to solve the question you have. So here, a wall has a height of 4 meter and 20 centimeter. If each brick is 10 centimeter height, how many bricks were used to attain the given height of the wall? So the whole height is 4 meter and 20 centimeter. If each brick is 10 centimeter, that means I'm gonna convert this 4 meter and 20 centimeter. That means I want to know equal how many centimeter. This 4 meter, it will be 400. So 400 plus 20, it will be 420 centimeter. Each brick equal 10 centimeter. I want to know I'm gonna use how many brick. So I'm gonna make it divided. 420, the height of the whole hole, 420 divided by 10, because each brick is 10 centimeter height. So equal how many bricks? So it will be out. So the answer will be 42 bricks. That means I'm gonna use 42 bricks. Here Khalid put 200 grams of candy for each of his 10 friends. How many kilograms of candy did he buy? So Khalid bought 200 grams for candy for each of his 10 friends. I want to know how many number of grams he used or he bought to his 10 friends. So I have 10 friends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Each one have 200 grams. Each one have 200 grams. That means I have here repeated addition to know the total. So I'm gonna use that times. So it will be 200 times 10. So I have how many zeros out? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna put these 3 zeros out, and 1 times 2, it will be 2. So it will be 2000 grams. 2000 grams equal how many kilograms? Equal 2 kilograms. That means he buy 2 kilograms because he wants the answer to be by kilograms, not grams. That means you should convert the number of grams to be equal kilograms. Now let's move to question 3. Ayman has a jar filled with juice. After he poured 400 milliliters of juice in 7 glasses equally, he was still left with 200 milliliters. So here, Junior 4, he have a jar. This jar, after he poured 400 milliliters of juice in 7 glasses equally. So I have 7 glasses. Each one have 100. That means I have repeated. When I have repeated addition, that means I should use times. So I'm gonna make it 400 times 7. I have 2 zeros out, and 4 times 7, it will be 28. So it will be 2800 milliliters. He was still left with 200 milliliter juice in the jar. After he finished this, he still have another 200. That means I have 200 extra. I'm gonna make it plus 0, 0, 8 plus 2 it will be 10, 0 and carry up 1, 1 plus 2 it will be 3. So it will be 3000 milliliter. So the jar, it was 3000 milliliter. That means how many liter? That means 3 liters. This is the capacity of the jar. Now we're gonna move to check your understanding. So here, ants walk about 5,000 meters each day. How many kilometers do ants walk in 6 days? I want to convert these 5,000 meters to be with kilometers. So 5,000 meters equal 5 kilometers. She walk each day 5 kilometers. I want to know the total after she walks 6 days. That means I'm gonna make this 5 times 6 because she do this action each day. So it will be 5 times 6, it will be 30 kilometers after 6 days. Here Samira is studying for an upcoming math test. If she studied for 30 minutes a day, how many hours will she have spent studying in 8 days? Each day she studied 30 minutes. So after 8 days, that means I'm gonna make it times 30 times 8. This 0 it will be out, and 3 times 8 will be 24. So it will be 240 minutes. But I want my answer to be by hours. So that means 240. That means I have how many hours? So I'm gonna make 240 divided what? Divided 60, because I have 60 minutes in 1 hour. So I'm gonna cancel these two zeros together. 24 divided 6, it will be 4. That means I'm gonna use 4 hours. A colony of ants eats approximately 2,000 grams. 2,000 grams mean how many kilograms? Mean 2 kilograms of food each day. If the ants have 10 kilograms of food stored last. So a colony of ants ate approximately, each day she ate 2 kilograms. And she have stored how many? She have stored 10 kilograms. And each day she ate 2. I want to know how many days this food it will be last. So I'm gonna make it divided. 10, the total, divided 2 equal 5. That means this food it will be last for 5 days. An ant may walk up to 5 kilometers per day. If the ant continues this for 20 days, it's a repeated action. How many meters will the ant walk? So I'm gonna make this 5 times 20. This 0 it will be out, and 5 times 2 it will be 10. It will be 100 kilometers. But he won't hear Junior 4. The answer will be with meters. So I'm gonna convert from kilometer to meter. I'm gonna make it times 1,000. So it will be 100,000. And now we finish Junior 4. See you in the next session. Bye bye.